everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to take accurate body measurement. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. Let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, the first measurement you'll be taking is your shoulder measurement, from one shoulder bone to the other shoulder bone. Okay, so this is her shoulder bone. So you place the tape on one shoulder bone to the other shoulder bone. Her shoulder measurement is 16 inches. I repeat, 16 inches. Alright, so now the next measurement you'll be taking is the bust measurement. It's taken from the nape of your neck. The nape of your neck is the corner of your neck, this place. From the nape of your neck to your nipple. From the nape of your neck to your nipple. Her bust measurement is 9 inches. Alright, now the next measurement to take is the waist measurement. It is taken from the nape of the neck to the waist region where your belly button is. Alright, hers is 15 inches. Okay, the next measurement is her hip measurement. So from her neck to her hip, that is the widest part of your bum, widest part of your body, is what? 23 inches. Make sure that the tape is passing through the nipple, through the waistline to the hip. Her own is 23 inches. Okay, now let's take the length of the gown. If it's a gown, if it's a short gown, you take from the neck to the knee or wherever the client wants it to stop. So hers is what? 36 inches for a short gown, and for a long gown, hers is 50 inches. Okay, if it's a top, it's going to end on the hip line, 22 inches. Alright, now let's take the circumference measurement. The circumference of her bust, that is her bust round, is what? Let's check it. When you are taking the circumference of her bust, you put one finger in between the tape like this. You put a finger in between the tape. I hope you can see it. In between the tape, and make sure that the tape is free. Make sure that the tape is free. Alright, so her bust measurement is 32 inches. Okay, now let's go to the waist. Her waist measurement, put it very free on the waistline. Okay, don't make it too tight. Her waist measurement is 28 inches. Alright, so on the hip, you put the tape on the highest part of the buttocks. This is what I mean. The highest part of the buttocks is placed. Okay, and that's where you place the tape to get the hip circumference. So her hip circumference is what? Let's see. Her hip circumference is 36 inches. Her hip circumference is 36 inches. Now let's go to the armhole. The circumference of her armhole, you put the tape around the person's armhole. Her armhole circumference is what? 16 inches. Okay, then you take the length of the sleeve. If it's a short sleeve, you take it from the shoulder to wherever the client wants it. Okay, hers is 8 inches. Then for a 3/4 sleeve, hers is 12 inches. Then for a long sleeve, hers is 18 inches. Alright, now for the round sleeve, you take, for the short sleeve, you take exactly where you took the sleeve length. Alright, and make sure it is very free. Her sleeve round for short sleeve is 12 inches. Alright, then her sleeve round for her 3/4 sleeve. When taking the sleeve round for a 3/4 sleeve, you tell the client to fold her hands like this. You fold the hand towards near the elbow, so that when the person is wearing the dress, the sleeve will not be too tight. Okay, so with her elbow folded, her elbow circumference is what? 10 inches. Then for the long sleeve, you take this sleeve round for the long sleeve on the wrist region. Make sure that it is very free and it can pass through her wrist. Okay, make sure it's free and it can pass through the wrist. Okay, hers is what? 10 inches. Hers is what? 10 inches. Alright, so that is about accurate body measurement taking. Alright, so let's summarize what I said. You take the shoulder measurement from one shoulder bone to the other shoulder bone. You take the bust measurement from your nape of your neck to your bust, then for the waist, from the nape of your neck to your waist, for the hip, nape of your neck to your hip, and for the length of the dress, from the nape of your neck through the bust, through the waist, through the hip, to the length of the gown. Then you take the circumference of your bust, circumference of your waist, circumference of your hip. All right. Then from there you take your armhole measurement. You take the armhole measurement. All right. You take the sleeve length for short sleeve. You take the sleeve length for 3/4. And you take the sleeve length for long sleeve. Then you take the round sleeve measurement. All right. That is it on taking accurate body measurement for a client. All right. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Till I see you in my next tutorial. Bye.